Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high and hip and smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drinks is on me.
Hi everyone, it's Kaylin Sade and I am back again with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be trying to revert my curls back because I got a blowout a couple weeks ago, and yeah, my hair looks like that. So I'm hoping that this product works, so you all will be seeing along with me if this product, oh my gosh, y'all, look at my hair. So this is the product that I will be using. It's the Indian healing clay that everyone has been using on YouTube to get their curls popping. I got it from my beauty supply store for $9.99. So yeah, we're gonna see if this helps my curls. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna be using this and this to try to repair this. So we will see how this goes. So this is the consistency that I have. So I'm gonna go wet my hair. My hair is not clean, so I'm gonna go wet my hair, detangle it, and then put the stuff on. So I will see you guys when I get ready to put the stuff on my hair. Okay y'all, so I separated my hair into, I can't remember how many sections, but I separated my hair into sections and I detangled each section, and I'm just showing you the consistency that I have. Also, peep that straight piece of hair, strand, whatever, yeah, that. So I really did get heat damage from the last time I got my blowout, so I won't be blowing out my hair no more this year. So basically what I'm doing is I am going to be putting the clay vinegar mixture onto smaller sections within that section to really coat each and every strand of hair. Okay, so in this clip you can see that I finished that whole side and almost finished with the other side of my hair. So when this started to dry, my hair was really hard. So I would recommend not to touch your hair too much when it starts to dry because it gets super hard. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all see how I finished up my hair, And yeah. Okay, y'all, so as I was finishing up, I still had a lot of the product left over. So I started to just put it on my face because a lot of people use this as a face mask as well. So I decided to try that out and let that sit while my hair is, I don't know, what, cooking, restoring. Oh my gosh, I'm so silly. Okay, but yeah, while my hair is doing what it's doing, I just decided to go ahead and apply this as a face mask as well while I wait for my hair to finish, I guess, processing or whatever you want to call it. And here is a closer look of my hair after I applied the mask all over my hair and my face. So I will see you guys in like 30 minutes. Hey y'all, so I've rinsed that Indian healing clay out of my hair, and as soon as I washed it out, I could feel my curls like coming back, but honestly I still need a protein treatment. This was the result of my blowout. So before I cut my hair like I did last time, I'm gonna go to the store and buy. I was trying to avoid buying this because it stinks so bad, but it's the baaaack Serious Care and Protection. It's like a protein treatment, and I'm gonna see if that helps because I did get some heat damage like back here on the back of my hair, and then this is the only piece excuse me, this is the only piece, okay, you can, yeah, so I did get some heat damage back here in the back, but this is the only piece of my hair that's like straight, that's not curling back up at all. So before I cut it, I am going to do that protein treatment, that baaaack protein treatment. I'll probably do that, I'm trying to think, I may do it tomorrow, or I may just wait sometime next week to do it to see if this curl back up. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna cut it. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like after the little you know, I don't have a booger in my nose, this is like my nose ring. But this is how my hair looks after I rinse the clay out. And I currently have conditioner in it. I'm gonna let the conditioner sit in my hair for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back, try to style it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this piece of hair. Like, it's literally straight. So I don't know if, I don't know. And it's super long, like you can see, of course, like my hair. But my curls came back, thank goodness. Okay y'all, so I'm back and I'm going to be using the Kinky Curly Knot Today detangler to detangle each section of my hair before I actually start styling it. And you can see that my curls are coming back, thank goodness, except for the little bit of heat damage that I experienced on the back of my hair. But overall, I was so happy that my curls came back. because at the beginning of this video, y'all saw the struggle was real. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. My hair is still damaged, but this is what it looks like. So yeah, I had to do little ponytails for the back because it is a little damaged back here, but this is the final look, and this is basically what I use to style my hair. Kinky, curling custard. So yeah, I'm going to take some pictures of my hair in the morning so y'all can kind of see how I'm gonna style it, because I'm not wearing it out like this. Like, I'm probably gonna have to get my ends cut because this is not okay. So yeah, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's